So friends, right now we'll be seeing the economic calendar activity. So here we can see the high impact event which is going to occur today. So first thing is the Reliance Industries, and we saw that on 21st of October, the Reliance. So now coming to the FII holdings on 21st of October, especially in the index future and the net open interest short contracts. And the color wise we can see the dark blue represents the, and here we can see that India VIX right now it is trading at 17 point So friends, right now we'll be seeing the economic calendar activity. So here we can see the high impact event which is going to occur today. So today at 7:30 p.m. we can see the industrial production year on year. So the followed with the GDP growth rate, which is once again the year on year, and the balance of trade for the month of September. So these three will be the high impact events for the today 24th of October 2022. So now let us try to understand the. So right now we're on the Nifty 50 driver stocks. So first thing is the Reliance Industries, and we saw that on 21st of October, the Reliance stock was down by almost 1.2%, and the TCS was down by almost 0.6%, followed with the HDFC Bank at 0.7% and the Infosys. So these four stocks were down on 21st of October 2022. So suppose if you trade in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, first thing is you should be aware of the stocks which is driving the index, especially for the Nifty or the Bank Nifty. So now coming to the FII holdings on 21st of October, especially in the index future and options, we can see that they are positive by almost 493.76 crores in the index future, and in the index option they are positive by 9,893 crores. So also we can see that they are holding positive in the stock future and the stock options. So this gives us an confirmation that they are in the bullish mood for the Indian market. So now coming to the open interest data. So here we can see that the net open interest long versus the net open interest short contracts, and the color wise we can see the dark blue represents the client, and the yellow color represents the domestic institutional investors, the orange represents the foreign institutional investors, and the light blue represents the proprietors. So on the net long position, here we can see that DIs are negative in their net open interest data. FIIs, they are also negative in their open interest data, but whereas the clients also we can tell that they are the retail, most of the retailers they are positive in their open interest, followed with the proprietors where they are positive by almost 14,552 contract positions. So on the net open interest short positions, here we can see that the DIs, FII are these two are in the bearish in their open interest, or we can say that they are in the negative in the open interest, but whereas the clients and proprietors are positive in their open interest data. So right now we are on the India VIX chart. So this is the daily time frame, and here we can see that India VIX right now it is trading at 17.28 levels. So this is almost we can see that our markets could be bearish for at least next couple of trading sessions. So now we'll switch to the Bank Nifty data here. So on the daily time frame, if we observe that Nifty is in bullish trend, so this is the trend line, and here clearly we can see that the Bank Nifty is in the bullish trend, and there is a resistance at 41,761 levels, or we can also consider that this as the first target for the Nifty, Bank Nifty. So here we can see that the Bank Nifty has a immediate resistance at 41,840 levels, and the daily time frame is representing the bullish trend in the Bank Nifty future. So now we'll switch to the 15 minutes time frame and try to analyze the data. So friends, on 21st of October, we saw that there was a gap up in the Bank Nifty future by almost from 40,172 to almost 40,376 points, and finally it had made a high of 41,045 levels. So on the for the intraday traders, this will be the important resistance at 41,045 levels, and the support will be at 40,609 levels. So suppose if Bank Nifty is going to cross above the 41,045 levels, then we can easily see an target of for the 41,840 levels. And on the downside, if we see that the Bank Nifty is crossing successfully, if it is crosses below 40,609 levels, then we can see an target of 39,865 levels. So this is the levels for on the 15 minutes time frame for the intraday traders. So now we'll switch to the Nifty spot and try to analyze the 15 minutes time frame. So friends, right now we are on the 15 minutes time frame in the Nifty spot, and have drawn the important lines for the intraday traders. So this particular line at the 17,526 will be acting as the important support for the Nifty. And suppose if the Nifty crosses below 17,523, then we can see the target of 17,423 levels on the intraday basis. And today we can see that in the global market, the SGX Nifty right now it is trading at 17,800 levels. So here I have drawn one more line. Today Nifty could open at 17,809 levels, and this is the possibility. Once the Nifty sustains above 17,805 levels, then we can see a target of 18,000. So 18,000 could not be achieved, may not be achieved today, but definitely we can see that on the expiry day, or at least on Wednesday, we can see that in the next 3 days, if the buyers are strong, then 18,000 will be definitely, it will be a possibility. So friends, this is the USD INR chart. So this is the daily time frame, and here we can see that USD INR is in the bullish trend. And let us switch to the intraday time frame. So as you can see that on the intraday levels, there is a immediate resistance at 83.082 levels, and the support at 82.531 levels for the USD INR. Suppose if the USD INR crosses above the 83 levels, then we can see a target of 83.268 levels on the higher levels. And on the downside, if the USD INR crosses below 82.536 levels, then we can see a target of 82.115. So friends, my overall view for 24th of October, that is the today's Muhurat trading session, I am positive in the market for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I'll be seeing that there will be a gap up of more than 200 points, and Nifty would be sustaining at somewhere at 17,805 levels, and Bank Nifty could sustain at 41,840 levels. So you can leave your questions and comments on this topic, the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis and the prediction for 24th of October 2022. Also leave your, suppose you have the doubts regarding this, the analysis, whether you are an intraday trader or whether you are a swing trader, you can leave your questions and doubts. Also, if you want to have the ready-made option strategy, the safest strategy, so in the options for the Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stock options, you can also contact me by leaving a comment or directly WhatsApp me your questions related and ask me for the ready-made option strategies for the Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stock options. So thank you for watching this video, and wish you and your family happy Deepavali.